So let's start by talking about how cotton is farmed, because we have been mentioning its importance and emphasizing the importance of cotton itself in this entire process. So probably it makes sense for us to start with the source of this important raw material, because we don't want you to end up having to buy it from someone. Otherwise, the person who's going to buy is sell it to you would have spent a lot of money growing it and harvesting it. So all those costs are going to be transferred to you, and you are not going to be able to afford them in the process. It's not going to be worth it, but it's cheaper and cost effective if you plant the cotton and grow it yourself. So the process of growing cotton, just like what we discussed in the crop farming module, starts with planting the cotton seeds in the soil. Farmers usually plant the seeds in rows to make it easier to care for the plants. And once the seeds are planted, the cotton plants will then need water, need sunlight and nutrients from the soil in order to grow. Farmers then water the plants regularly to make sure they are not overcrowded by removing any weeds that may compete for air, sunlight, and water. As the plants grow, they produce flowers that eventually explode and turn into cotton balls, which contain the cotton fibers. So when the cotton balls are ready to be harvested, the farmers then will hand pick the cotton from the plants. The cotton is then processed to remove the seeds and other impurities before it can be used to make products like clothing. So let's just show you what a cotton field looks like in this picture. As you can see, here are the cotton balls that are now ready for harvesting. You wait for them to mature first, and these are the balls. So these are the brown stuff that is around them is the flour itself. First of all, it is going to be round or spherical in shape, and then it will continue to grow until as the ball inside keeps on growing, even the sphere as well. The outside flour also grows until it explodes. When it does explode, then the ball is finally going to come out, as you can see, and it will dry first, and then after drying, then it will be time for it to be harvested. So it is in this state that we can finally say that we now have the ingredient that we need.